Welcome to Outdoor Inspirations. I'm Kevin. So glad you're here with us. Flower power, we're here and all about it. But just one second though, look at this awesome container display that they have here at Adcock's Nursery. Blake, I'm going to test you on plants.
Oh God.
Can you name this one?
Let's see. Obviously evergreen, very prickly. Gosh, I don't know.
Blue point juniper.
Oh, really?
Below it, a chorus, which gives you that yellow, awesome margin, and little ivy underneath. So they're giving you spill, fill, and thrill. The three aspects of a great container design. All right, so over here, we have a really showstopper to show you today. This is early spring blooming Pieris. So this is an interesting variety called Temple Bells. You know, Pieris has several varieties in its family. This one's really striking. You know, flower displays are just tremendous. That white, plumy, droopy type foliage. It has been raining. It was raining yesterday heavily. So these are drooping down a little more normal. Once this dries out, you can see it's splashing. Once that dries out, these will perk back up, give you some nice height. These are 3 gallon, so you can imagine these are going to get nice and sizable for you. Probably that 6 foot max range, and they do like a little more shade than they do sun, so keep them protected in your garden areas and don't let them get too much sun. But we just wanted to show you this really quick. Pieris, Temple Bells, winner every time. Thanks for joining us, guys. Love you guys. See ya.